Hello everybody, this is Ashraf from Ash English. How you doing? Great to see you guys. Today I'm here to talk about prepositions. This is my first grammar lesson on this channel. In this lesson, we are looking at how to use the preposition by. They are little words. Even though they are tiny words, they create a lot of confusion. Prepositions are one of the biggest problems for English students and teachers because they are the cause of so many grammar mistakes. They are incredibly difficult to master. In this lesson, you will learn 4 uses of by as a preposition. So, let's get into number 1. By is used instead of, near, beside, next to. Alright, let's have some examples. Number 1. We are renting a house by the sea. They live in a cottage by the sea. She was sitting by the window reading a book. The sofa is by the door. Neha went and sat by Nesha. I need a seat by the door. Next, number 2, communication. Let's have some examples. I'll contact you by letter. Can I enter the competition by email? They exchanged New Year's greetings by email. We are in regular communication by email. You can reserve the tickets by phone. Next, number 3, mode of payment. When we are talking about how to pay for something, we can say by cash, by card, by check. Alright, let's have some examples. You can pay by cash or by credit card. I'd like to pay by check. Next, I don't have any cash on me, so could I pay by check? Do you accept payment by credit card? We paid for the laptop by check. Some customers prefer to pay by cash. Next, transportation. When we are talking about the mode of transport, we can say by as a preposition. For example, by car, by train, by taxi, by air, by sea, by land, by road, by rail. Okay, let's have some examples. He traveled across Asia by train. Do you travel by taxi? They crossed the river by boat. All supplies are transported by sea. We traveled mainly by land. He likes traveling by bus. Is he coming to London by car? They are coming to London by plane. Do you travel by metro? He had to go to work by bike. Emergency food supplies were brought by lorry. Alright guys, we've come to the end. Thanks for watching. Please smash the subscribe button and tap the notification if you haven't already. Cheers guys. See you in the next lesson.